Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to discuss with you how to connect JBL Cinema SB510 to Hisense TV. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're looking for a way for you to connect your JBL Cinema here to a Hisense TV, well, this one is very easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to gather a few things. So you'll need to either get an HDMI ARC cable or an optical cable to connect your soundbar to your TV. So an HDMI ARC here is the best option for high quality audio if you want to get high quality audio from your this case JBL Cinema. Now, from there on, what you need to do is you want to go and plug one end of your HDMI ARC port to your Hisense TV, and the other end to your HDMI ARC into the soundbar here. So just basically connect them to each other. Now, you want to go ahead and open up the settings for your Hisense TV here, and you just want to enable HDMI CEC. So in this case, this allows your TV to control the soundbar here. And also, you want to turn on your HDMI ARC if using the HDMI connection. Now, in this case, in your TV's audio settings, same thing, settings here, you want to select external speakers as the output source here so that you can hear from your JBL Cinema. And also this ensures that the sound is directly through your soundbar instead of the TV's built-in speakers. And also use the soundbar remote to select the correct input source, which is in this case going to be HDMI or optical. In this case, check the status indicator light to confirm it's set up correctly here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.